Okay guys, it is Techgamer BB and I'm going to show you how to download ZiniTevi, no jailbreak for iPhone, and watch movies for free and download movies for free. And no jailbreak on iOS 14.7, 14.5, iOS 14. No computer, too. So first of all, you're going to go to this site. I will have this site in the description for you guys. And then next, you go down once you get to the site, and then you're gonna see no revoke, no jailbreak for iOS devices, but they do for Android. If you have an Android, you just hit download ZiniTevi APK right there. And so what you do is you download ZiniTevi, you click the link, and it says open this page in test flight, so you do that. And then it's gonna say right here, it's gonna pop this thing up, and all you do is hit accept, and you gotta have test flight on your device. And then you hit accept, and then you hit install, and this is how you get it no revoked, and it works really good. And then you open it up, and then you say no thanks, get started, you do this, and then you have some movies. I can't play it because I'm on a screen record, so it's not gonna let me. But once you get to the movies, you can click a movie, you can watch any movie you want. You can watch Monsters, Milan, Thor, and then you can also put it to the TV. So that's the video, guys. Hope you guys hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next one.